Hello students, now I am going to teach you idioms. Now what is the meaning of idioms? Idioms are just expressions or phrases which mean something more than what the words seem to convey. They make a language more interesting. An idiom is an imaginative way of expressing a thought. Given below are some popular idioms along with their meaning. So idioms means what? There is the meaning of that sentence or a meaning in that situation. The meaning of the sentence is more and more important. So that you can call the idioms. So let's see some idioms. To turn a deaf ear, to disregard or ignore something. If you want to ignore something or if you are ignoring something, then you can say to turn a deaf ear. To put one's foot down, it means to remain firm. Whatever you are saying, whatever you are behaving, you have to stick on that. To see eye to eye, to be in a complete agreement. To see eye to eye means you are totally agree with someone. To strain every nerve. To try to the best of one's ability. To bring to book, to punish. Then 17, in high spirits, very happy, very cheerful. Then to go to the dogs, to be completely rude, to catch one's eyes, to draw someone's attention. Now, on page number 85, to hit the nail on the head. What does it mean? To say or do exactly the right thing at the right time. If you are doing the perfect thing means what? That thing was needed on that time. So you can see to hit the nail on the head. To spread like a wildfire. It means very rapidly. To spread very rapidly. To lose no time. It means to act promptly. In the long run means ultimately. In hot water means in trouble. If you want to say someone that your friend, for example, is in trouble, in a very big trouble, you can say she is in hot water or he is in hot water. It means she or he is in a big trouble. On one's last legs, it means on the brink of ruin. To change over a new leaf, it means to change for the better. If you want to change the things better of you have seen that something is changed very better, then in that situation you can say to change over a new leaf. So this was the idioms. It is quite interesting. If you want to make your sentence while speaking English interesting, then you should use these idioms, so that you have to read first the idioms and their meaning, then only you will understand how to or where to use these idioms. So just read this again at your home and find out and make more sentences. We will meet in next video. Thank you.